Hello everyone, how are you doing? So today I have a few items from Scentsy, Yankee candle, and a few items from Winners, Homesense, Marshalls. So I will start with Yankee. I had just a short shift at the hospital, so I thought I'd just drop by Yankee. It's like 5 minutes away, and just see if they had any of the new fall elevation candles come out. But they didn't. So I ended up just getting like 50% items when I went to Yankee. I think they have just two new scents, fall scents from Yankee. I was really hoping they'd have like 5 or 6 new elevation fall scents out because I love the elevation candles. I'm really kind of avoiding the classic jars just because of this kind of sketchy throws. I do like the scent cups and the gel tin warmers, but they didn't have any of the new fall scents in scent cups or gel tins, so I ended up not getting too much. Most of the stuff's just 50% off. I do like my elevation candles, however, I have good luck with the burns and the throws, but they only had one scent that was on sale and it was all medium jars, and that's the elevation candle in frosted fir. So I think this is a combination of fir and balsam, and I think there's supposed to be a citrus note in there also. So it is a very bright kind of evergreen scent. It's not really heavy. The citrus, if there is a citrus scent in there, it's just a very earthy citrus scent. I pick up more of a greenery scent, aside from the balsam and pine. I just get kind of a herbally greenery scent in there also. So I think this was like $11 when it was half price. It was $11 or something like that. I did only get one scent cup, and I actually should have grabbed a couple of these because I did melt this last year and I really, really liked it. And that is Christmas Celebration. Yeah, I really should have picked up another one. This one is really good and it's very strong. I do really love those rich, currant winter berry scents for the fall and winter. This one, I'm not sure the scent notes, but it's just, it reminds me of pomegranate and cranberries kind of all rolled into one. But there's a real brightness to it. It's just a really, really unique kind of berry scent. So yeah, if I'm by there again, I'll probably pick up another one of those because I did have good luck with it. And then I did get some gel tin warmers, which were half price. So yeah, I do have pretty good luck with these gel tins. There has been a few that I have tried that, yeah, I think they do make it up to 50 hours like they claim. And they are very strong. So sometimes when you do a cold sniff, it seems quite strong, but it is a concentrated scent. So sometimes when you get what you get on cold kind of softens up a little bit when it's melting because it's just so concentrated in here. And the first one I did get was Afternoon Escape. And this is like a clone-y green scent. And again, that's on cold. It may soften up when it melts. But yeah, I get a little bit of cologne. I get a little bit of a bright greenery scent in there. I did get Summer Daydream. Now this is a really kind of a unique floral scent. It's like Midnight Bloom, I think, from Yankee. It's just that it's a deep floral. It's not like a bright summery floral. It's a deep musky kind of floral. I do like that one. And then I did pick up Golden Chestnut. I think this was from last year. That's actually kind of sweet. It's almost like a bakery scent. Yeah, you get that kind of nutty bakery kind of scent. And then this one is actually from this year, Warm and Cozy. Now I did sniff the Campfire Apple, and there was one other that I really liked. Oh, I can't remember it now. I should write this stuff down because I have no memory. But Warm and Cozy is Warm and Cozy. I pick up peppermint in here, but it's not like a really cool peppermint. Oh, it's good though. But yeah, I get like a woodsy kind of peppermint scent from it. But I did like the other couple scents that they did have, but they just didn't have it in the gel tin or the center cup pieces. So at some point, when there's a good sale and the scent cups and the gel tins and the new scent comes out, then I'll pick up some more. Okay, so they do have, now I wasn't going to buy any more wax melts, unless I know that they're very strong and that they're only $1, but they did have the brand new wax melts out, and this is what it looks like. So they are definitely bulkier than the old kind of melts. And they had this little hole here where you can sniff the scent. So they did have these on special for $1. So I thought, you know what, they're $1. I'll just buy a few scents that I know are normally quite strong and just see how they do. But I definitely wouldn't spend any more than $1 on these unless they're, you know, well, actually you could probably cut it in half and get a couple of doses out of it. But this first one is Autumn Leaves. And this is a classic Yankee candle, and I just adore this scent. And yeah, you can smell it through there. I'll just open this one up. So these are much easier to open than their old wax melts. So yeah, they just pop right out, and you can easily cut that one in half if you wanted to. But we'll see. We'll see how they are. And then, of course, this one's always fairly strong. This is the Lemon Lavender. And this is a great scent for the bathroom or when I'm doing some major cleaning. And you can definitely smell it through there. I did get Clean Cotton. Love my laundry scents. Oh, that one's really strong. And then this is Honey Clementine. Oh, can't smell this one as much. Yeah, that's like almost like a bitter orange kind of scent. A little more tart than sweet. But they smell, I mean, they smell strong on cold, so we'll see how they go. Anyway, let's go on to Scentsy. So I didn't buy any wax bars this time. There's a lot I do want to get, but I think, correct me if I'm wrong, I think October 1st they have the holiday collection coming out, and then I think, is it December 1st is the Bring Back My Bar, and there's quite a few I want to get there. So I decided to just get some cleaners this time because I really couldn't make up my mind what I wanted. So I was going to get some more Johnny Appleseed counter cleaner, but I think it was sold out. But I did find this all-purpose cleaner in Johnny Appleseed. And I just love the smell of the Johnny Appleseed counter cleaner. Oh, I just really like it. So this has 710 mils in it. So what you do is you dilute this. So when when I got an empty spray bottle, I'll just fill it up, and I think you mix it 3-to-1, I think. 3-to-1 with water. Oh, I can't quite remember. But anyway, this will last a long time because you can dilute it. But I really do like the smell. And then I did get the Cider Mill Counter Clean and the dish soap. And this is just all those yummy fall fruits all kind of rolled into one, like the pumpkin and the apple. So this is a Cider Mill Counter Clean. Really pretty packaging. And this is the Cider Mill dish soap. So yes, with all these scents, I'll be doing lots of cleaning. Oh, that's good. That's fall in a dish soap. Oh, that's really good. Okay, so so I've been working the past few days, and I was kind of going in the withdrawal from my favorite stores, so I scooted out there today. Didn't get a lot, but what I did get, I'm quite happy with. So if you watch my channel, you know I do like my skinny syrups. I put these in, you know, coffees, teas, hot chocolate. The fruity ones I put into water or iced tea or whatever. And I do love cherry drinks. there's something about cherry drinks. I just love them. And Skinny Syrups came out with cherry flavored. I'm so excited. So this is cherry flavor infusion. No calories, no sugar, no carbs. So I just add this to my iced tea or just water. I had a kidney stone in the past and I do not want another one. And so I'm trying to drink like a fish. But it's not easy when you got a small bladder. But anywho, yes, I got 2 of them because I just love cherry flavored drinks. And then I picked up a one in strawberry rose also. And then I did purchase another pair of pants for hiking because mine always get pretty muddy and they get burrs on them, and I just need a tough pair of pants. So I did purchase these ones, and I really like the material on them. So these pants are actually made of nylon, the exterior of it. So it's kind of has that slippery nylon material, so not so many burrs and everything will be stuck on these. And it has an adjustable waist, and it's that nice soft cloth material for the waist. And I tried them on in the store and they're so comfortable. So these will be perfect for hiking and that with that type of material. And then we went to Ireland last September. Oh, I love that trip. Oh my God, I would love to go back. And in, I think it was Marshall's, they had a lot of these sweaters that were made in Dublin, Ireland, and they're 100% wool. Actually 95% wool, 5% cashmere. And I've been kind of eyeing them, and I saw this color and I thought, oh my gosh, I love this color. And so I ended up using some birthday money, and I got my Dublin, Ireland wool sweater, and it's just that perfect. It's almost like a dusty plum, I guess you would say. And yeah, it's so pretty with the cable, and yeah, with all that wool, it's going to keep me very, very warm, but I just absolutely love this color. And then I did find this sweater from New Balance, and it was just kind of unique. It almost has that kind of like a tweed material. It has this softest dusty kind of pink with the gray. And that's the back there. I just kind of wish it would have had a hood, but I just really just love that color combination and the design of it. And then I just bought a couple of pairs of socks because I wear plum and purples a lot in the fall and the winter. I did get some Columbia socks. Now these are lined with fleece, but they're not bulky. Because even like minus 20 degrees Celsius weather, oops, I overheated here, just a second. Sorry, all my hot air, I overheated the camera. But yeah, they're not, even in really, really cold temperatures, if I'm out hiking, my feet sweat like crazy, so I don't want anything too bulky. And then I found these ones by Keen Women's, and they're hiking socks, and they do have wool in them also, but they're very well made. They even have a they're supposed to fit so well, they have a right and left sock on them. So anyway, those are wool, but they're nice and thin, not bulky. So anyway, I am all set for the winter, I tell you. Yeah, it feels like it's supposed to be like summer-like temperatures this week. It's hot out today, so we're kind of bouncing back and forth here, but anyway, it is coming. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and everyone take care, be kind to each other, be well, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.